Hello everyone, welcome to AD's Kitchen and Vlogs. So I hope you all are doing fantastic today. Today we will be visiting the Batik Factory of Bali. So batik is really famous in Bali as well as all of Indonesia. So most of the South Eastern Asian countries are famous for batik. So once we were there, I learned how to tie a beach wrap in 4 different ways. So I thought, why not share it with all of you? This Balinese lady is helping me wear these 4 types of beach wraps. All 4 of them are beautiful. So beach wraps will come in very handy when you are going for swimming or just to the beach, and they look very pretty. Another thing that I loved in this batik factory was the way they were making personalized t-shirts for everyone. Like right outside the shop there, they were making personalized t-shirts for everyone and doing the batik printing in front of their own eyes. So that's a very great experience. So I've got a new t-shirt here, and it's custom made for me. Right there they were doing the batik printing in front of us, and it also has my name on it. So I'm really happy, and I'm about to change my clothes right now. Hi. Am I looking nice? Is it looking good? All the clothes sold in Batik Factory, all the clothes, bags and everything that are sold in the Batik Factory are made over here right in front of everyone. So upstairs there's the actual factory that's there, so you can actually see how they make it, and there are also beautiful paintings and tapestries that are here. So now we are headed towards the UC Silver and Gold Factory, which is in the Denpasar region. You can see how beautifully the outside is decorated. I cannot wait to go inside and have a look. Unfortunately though, I just got to know right now that videographing inside is not allowed, so I cannot show you guys anything from inside. But there are beautiful designs of silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and other different kinds of stones are also there. So I hope you all really like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to AD's Kitchen and Vlogs. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.